So in this video, I want to show how you can quickly find any word that you're looking for on any given page that you're on a computer. So this is very helpful to make things faster, to search for things and find them quickly. So if I pull up a sample page here, and I just have a page of a chocolate chip cookie recipe, and all I have to do is make sure that the window that I'm using is selected, so I just have to basically click on the page. Then if I wanted to find any words that are on this, then I would have a simple function or a simple thing that I could do. Now on the keyboard, there is this button in the lower left, CTRL, which means control. And so we push and hold this control button, and then we tap F. And then when we do that, we have this little pop-up box in the top here. And so if we type in this pop-up box, cookie, for example, we can see that all of a sudden, all of the words cookie are highlighted on the page. And then you can see there's 3 of 110 mentions. And so you see right here, 1, 2, 3, that's the third one. And then we can use these up and down arrows. So this is the second one, this kind of orange color instead of the yellow color, or the first one, so the first one out of 110. And so in this way, we can actually scroll through, and then the page automatically moves to the next use of cookie. So we just keep clicking through to find exactly what we're looking for. And so we could type any word here and see what it says. So this pop-up just came up. Let me close that. But we see where any particular word occurs, and we can see that it's this highlight, this orange highlight, is the 15th use of it on the page out of 59. And then we could just X out of that to close that. And then we just click on the page to move up and down on the page again freely. But if we wanted to see that again, we hold down the CTRL button in the bottom left or bottom right of your keyboard. And while holding it down, you just tap F, and then you can let go. And then this pop-up comes up, and then you can search for it. So that is how you search and find words on any given page on your computer. Now, just to make sure, if you ever run into problems, just make sure that you click on the actual page that you want to search before you try to do that, and then it'll all work out all right. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.